Welcome, here I've got Realme 8 Pro and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera watermark at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. From here let's go to the right corner to this button. When we pick it we can open the advanced camera settings. At the first place now we have the watermarks option, so when we tap here we can see that we can add the phone model watermark and also the date and time. By using buttons from the right we can easily turn them on and off as we need. As you can see, we can add just one of this, we can add both at the same time. So for now let me keep them turned on. Let's move back to the camera to take a picture to see them at the real one. Now to see the photo let's move to the left to this button that follows us straight to the gallery. And this is our picture with watermarks at the bottom. Let's get closer to them. As you can see, we have the Realme watermark shot on Realme 8 Pro, the device one, with date and time. And of course when we don't need them, we have to go back to the camera, then tap to the right corner once again to the watermarks and use these buttons to turn them off. So for now when we take another picture, the watermarks should be not visible at it. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.